Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to use sound in Lemon8 app, or how to add our music to Lemon8 app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So as we already know that Lemon8 app is powered by ByteDance, that is TikTok parent company, which is similar to TikTok, and it is also similar to Instagram and Pinterest, where you can post your aesthetic vlogs related to food, travel, beauty, wellness, and many more. This app has very interesting features, and you also need to make sure that this app Lemon8 is available in your region so that you won't face any kind of issues while logging and other method. And also you can use VPN method in your own rig and to use this Lemon8 app. So to add sound or music to Lemon8 does not have a built-in music features like TikTok, but you can still add sound to your post by editing your videos before uploading. So here's how. First is use a video editing app. Just you can use the other external video editing app. Since Lemon8 focus on photos and text-based content, you just need to add music before uploading using an external app like CapCut by ByteDance, same as TikTok. You can also edit from InShot, VN Video Editor, Canva for slideshow with music. And you can also use other platforms, like you can use Instagram or TikTok to add music. You can just open Instagram Reels or TikTok, upload your photos and add music from the sound library and save the video with music included, and then only you can just upload in your Lemon8 app as a new post. And the final tip is, since Lemon8 is mainly for photos and external based posts, music works best for video content that you edit before uploading. So let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.